I wanted to show how to get the manual brake off the Craftsman radial arm saw. There's a little pinhole in this brake, if you can find that, and you'll need a drill bit. And you stick this in here, and then you rotate the saw blade until it hit a notch. You can feel it fall into the notch. Well, the notch is right there. And anyway, once it's in the notch, then you need to turn the blade, and you'll feel it break. Now, if it's too hard, you might have to use your wrenches on the blade. But if you watch, it's slowly but surely coming out. And you can either move the blade, or you can lock it at this point and turn it, but you have to turn the blade to get this thing off. And then when it's off, you're good. Anyway, if you notice, there's two notches here. That corresponds to these two notches there, and you get that in there by turning the blade. If you look at the pinhole, you're not going to be able to see in there, but there's a V groove cut inside the disc inside of here, which spins with the blade. So anyway, to put it back on, it's the same thing. Get it on. You should be able to turn it on some with it not holding the blade, till you get to the point where these notches are going to have to line up. To do that, just if it doesn't work this way, you're probably going to have to see, it's not working, so it's spinning, so we got to get that line back up here. And eventually it will fall into the hole. There we go, just fell in the hole. And we got to make sure these line up with those grooves cut into the motor. You just keep spinning your blade. Eventually those will lock in. And there we go, she's in. So the way it works is that when your blade's spinning, you turn this, and there's a piece of cork inside here, and cause your blade to stop. And that's how you take off your brake, manual brake. Another thing about the manual brake is only use it when you shut the power off to the saw and the blade is spinning. That's when you use it.